She do what she want, yeah. She know she bad, that's why they so mad. All the other got is you, my broken hand. Why you tryna hide it when you know you got it? Eyes on you when you come around. You my playground, let me play around it.
So I'm trying to film this at an angle so y'all can't see the monstrosity I got in this background. But I just got a package that I've been waiting for. Clearly I'm stupid because I didn't even spell my name right on here. I put me Hartz, not Morgan Hartz. It's fine. I ordered the 3-month supply from Sugar Bear Hair. Any of you guys like know me personally, you'll know that I cut my hair. I cut about 4 inches off like 2 months or so ago, and I hate my hair. But it's okay because clearly it needed it. I had a lot of straight ends and they needed to be chopped off. So I purchased this and I'm about to open it. Okay, I got the 3-month supply. Oh, you get you get like this little sticker, this cute little Sugar Bear sticker on like cotton candy, and then this like keychain. Here, I'll take it out the package. And then you get this cute little keychain. This cute little keychain comes with it. Inside, oh wait, let me flip the label so it looks cute. And then this is what the inside of it looks like. The 3-month supply, there are 3 bottles of the hair vitamin gummies. You're supposed to take 2 a day. Oh, it also comes with this little like hair tie. My hair probably won't fit through this, but I'll just like wear it as a bracelet or something. It's really cute. This might just be like the little travel size or like the sample size one that they have, because there's only 10 pieces in here. And then there's 60 in the other ones. It also comes with this hairbrush. I don't know how well this is gonna work on my hair, but I'll definitely give it a try. We'll see. I'm not gonna try it out now because my hair is done. It'll just look a hot mess. My hair tastes, ooh, it smells good. Like as soon as I like open the seal, I can already smell it. When everyone like shows them, they always look so hard, but they're actually like softer than I thought they would be. My fingers are so ratchet right now. Whoa. Okay, I didn't expect it to like be so easy to chew into. I thought it was gonna be like an actual like gummy bear, not. I don't know what it's like when you first. It's literally like candy. That's kind of weird. It's almost like those crap. They're like, you know those like the fruity Mentos. It's not as hard as it is on like the outside, but like the inside part when you chew on it, that's like what the consistency is. But they taste so good. Because my hair does not grow the fastest, I figured I wouldn't just rely on these gummies to help grow my hair. So I also have been massaging my scalp with the 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil. It's by Shea Moisture, and I just got this from the hair store. That's what the bottle looks like, and it comes with like this little pumper. So I usually pump, what's my full one? Like 2 or 3 pumps, and then I'll put it on my fingers. And then I just massage my scalp, and I massage more on like the very bottom and then the very top, because I used to have bangs, and so those are already kind of shorter than the other ones. And then more so like the back and the bottom. So jeez. So that way the lengths can grow more at the bottom, because I did get my hair re-layered. When I first cut it off, it was like a solid blunt line, and I can't stand a blunt line.
Stand by what I say. If I had it my way, we'd be getting married.
I'll probably massage my scalp like every other day. I tend to forget pretty often, especially when my hair is like up in a bun. Then it makes it hard to get through to my scalp. So I'm gonna try and strive for every other day so that way I can be a little more consistent. And then the gummies I'll take once a day, once a day. And I'm about to check my length and what it is now. So then when I do this in 3 months, I'll probably just wear the same shirt, I guess, because this is what I have on. So I'm gonna part my hair. And so this is what it's like, all 100% dry and curly and poofed up. This one's just randomly longer than the others, so I'm probably just not going to count that. So it's, let's see, like where the, so I guess I'll just say like the top of where all of the like letters start, like the inside of them. And then stretch, that's like right on my nipple. Okay, yeah, so my hair right now is mid-boob length. That's what I'll call it. So mid-boob length when I pull it down. And it used to be, like, this is that random long piece. I don't know why this is just longer than all the other ones, but that one goes like down here. And then my hair used to go like down here when it was like straightened and stretched all the way out. So that just shows you how much I got chopped off. I'll turn around. This is what it looks like from the back. So I think I'm gonna post this video now. And then you guys will hear from me in 3 months, back on a video like this, and we'll do the measurements and everything again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for, I'm breathing so hard right now. I just got over being sick, so I'm sorry. What else should I say? I don't know what else to say, but this thing is flushed at me. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post, and so you'll also be updated on when I post my next video updating on the Sugar Bear hair pills. Or vitamins, or not pills. You guys will see an updated video of this in about 3 months, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.